Stop scrolling. Imagine turning a simple idea into a complete online business with videos, blogs, products, and even a course, all in just a few clicks. No editing, no writing, no hosting, no monthly fees. If that sounds unreal, get ready. After testing it inside a brand new account, the Black Friday Business Empire Suite is the strongest 5-in-1 AI business builder I've seen on Warrior Plus this entire year. It lets beginners build and launch real digital income streams without struggling with tech or paying expensive tools. So what exactly is the Black Friday Business Empire Suite? It is a cloud-based platform including 5 powerful AI apps that work together. You can create viral videos, build review blogs, turn audio into full videos, generate complete digital products, and even create full course websites. It is designed for beginners, affiliates, creators, freelancers, and anyone who wants their own digital business without learning complicated software. If you have ever said things like, "I can't make videos, I don't know how to write," or "I don't have hosting or tech skills," this solves all of that instantly.
Here's a decade plus of business lessons summarized into
Human resource management, often abbreviated.
From zero today, the first thing that I
maybe that the book wasn't aligned.
Dein Ziel erreichen, wenn es nur dich und dein Ziel gäbe. Du und das, was du
experience? Check out this new gaming headset. Designed for gamers who want top-notch audio. Great value? The Philips 271 V8 mode. Easy setup and
When you log in, you will see all 5 apps right on the dashboard. Bundleify AI creates ebooks, templates, and whole product bundles with graphics and sales pages. ThinkHub's AI builds complete course websites with lessons, quizzes, and certificates. ProCut AI creates short-form videos with captions and effects that are perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Voxcraft AI converts voice recordings or podcast audio into full videos. AI Review Studio creates AI-written blogs and review pages with built-in affiliate links and SEO optimization. Just choose a keyword, click Generate, and the software builds everything for you. Then hit Publish, and your content goes live inside seconds.
Something huge just dropped. And if you've ever wanted to build a real online business powered by AI, this is the moment to pay attention to. For months, thousands of users have been using a set of breakthrough AI apps, tools that write, design, speak, sell, and even build complete digital businesses from scratch. They've been creating courses, videos, digital products, and blogs faster than ever before. And now, for the very first time, all 5 of those powerful apps are being unlocked together inside one unstoppable Black Friday AI Empire suite. Here's what users are saying about them. Rahul M. says, ThinkHub's AI helped me build my own course website in less than an hour. No hosting, no coding, no stress. Jessica L. shares, Voxcraft AI turned my podcast episodes into YouTube videos with captions and visuals automatically. I got my first 2,000 views in a day. David K. adds, ProCut AI creates reels faster than my entire editing team. Now I can push 10 times more content daily. Sneha P. says, AI Review Studio ranks my review blogs on Google. I made my first affiliate commission within a week. Arjun M. writes, Bundleify AI created an entire digital product with ebook, course slides, and sales page ready to sell in minutes. These aren't just apps, they're real AI engines that build and sell for you. Together, they give you everything you need to go from idea to profit in just a few clicks. You can create full AI course, websites, viral reels, and video ads, review blogs, and affiliate sites, audio to video transformations, DFY digital product bundles ready to sell anywhere. And now, all 5 are finally inside one single dashboard. Fully automated, beginner-friendly, and commercial-ready. Introducing the Black Friday AI Empire Suite, the world's first 5-in-1 AI business ecosystem that creates, writes, designs, and sells for you. 5 proven, best-selling apps, unified to help you launch and scale your AI-powered business instantly. Here's what's inside your suite. ThinkHub's AI. Create AI-driven course websites and sell courses worldwide in minutes. ProCut AI. Instantly generate hyper-engaging reels and short-form videos for any niche or audience. Voxcraft AI. Convert podcasts, voiceovers, or any audio file into pro-quality videos automatically. AI Review Studio. Generate affiliate blogs, review shorts, and ranking videos with built-in SEO. Bundleify AI. Build complete digital product bundles with ebooks, graphics, and sales pages in one click. Each one of these tools has already helped users make money, save hours, and replace expensive subscriptions. But for this Black Friday only, you're getting all of them, bundled together for one single low one-time price. You're not paying $1,485 plus their combined value. You're paying just $17 one time, and you'll get access to all of them immediately. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, no tricks. This is a limited Black Friday event. Once the timer hits 0, this bundle disappears forever. No replays, no second chances. And because we believe in what we've built, your purchase today is protected by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it out. Build your business. This is it. 5 of the most powerful AI apps ever made. One-time price. And a chance to start or scale your own AI-powered business. Before this deal is gone for good. Click the button below now and unlock your Black Friday AI Empire Suite. Pay once. Access everything. Build your AI business today.
You can get started for a tiny one-time price during Black Friday, but there are optional upgrades if you want to scale faster. OTO1 unlocks more advanced features and higher usage limits for around $47. OTO2 gives traffic and automation tools for around $37. OTO3 is the done-for-you business empire at around $247. There are more upgrades like white label rights, reseller licenses, and unlimited versions for users who want to launch an agency or sell AI services to clients. All upgrades are optional. The main offer alone is enough to start making money. When you use the link below to grab this Black Friday deal, you also unlock my exclusive bonus pack with real marketing tools that help you succeed faster. Here is what you get for free. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master, create high-impact slideshow content to grab attention. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin, speed up your website for better rankings and conversions. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator, automatically send Facebook leads into your email list. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus, add countdown timers to emails and pages for urgency. Bonus 5, Backlinks Warrior software, build strong backlinks for SEO. Bonus 6, Social Ultima, drive more social traffic and engagement. Bonus 7, WP Video Focus, boost video views and conversions on your pages. Bonus 8, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0, find profitable keywords instantly. Bonus 10, Opt-in Monster, grow your email subscribers with proven forms. These bonuses alone are worth more than $2,000. You get everything for free only through the link below. First come, first served. The Black Friday Business Empire Suite gives you 5 premium AI tools for the price of 1. No subscriptions, no monthly payments. It automates product creation, content creation, video creation, SEO, hosting, and monetization. But this Black Friday offer is extremely limited. When the countdown expires, the price jumps and the bundle disappears forever. If you want a business that runs on automation instead of stress, click the link below before the deal expires and before the bonus pack is gone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe so you don't miss future software reviews and bonus deals. Click the link below right now to secure your access and unlock all bonuses instantly. See you inside.